There are a lot of things that I didn't think I'd be doing in my life, and I'm going to put this on that list.
Yeah, shaving a cow's udder isn't exactly what you'd put on your bucket list, is it?
No, but it's got to be done. Living the dream. Finally, after 2 or 3 days of milking here, there and everywhere, around the house and the barn, at the top, we're going to move it all back to where we used to milk it. Do all the milking, which is down in the cow shed. She should already be there waiting. Hopefully. Alright, that's better. Ian's here with supplies. I'll show you where they are. Oh, you spilt your water. Hello, you lot. How was your nighttime accommodation? Hello. That was clever, wasn't it? And we'll plumb in a trough at some point. So this is the old dairy sheds, cubicle shed. So this has got all the sort of channels and troughs for slurry. So as long as it's just a bit of water coming through, the rest of it will kind of deep litter. Anyway, that's where they are. We'll walk them through, plant the sheep tool, and she can come up onto the mat. Well done. So she's an experienced milker, and she's always been milked from the side in a breast parlour. So that's why we're doing it this way. But also her back right teat, this quarter, she's lost, which basically means she probably had mastitis years ago. And because of that, she's only on 3/4, which is one of the reasons why she was retired to us. But it's still loads of milk for us and the calf. But what you find is, unless the calf is close by, she can like turn the tap off. So we're making sure she's really chilled out, the calf's right by her, and hopefully she'll let down. The other problem with good old rare breeds, especially old ones, is they have big saggy hairy boobs, which is not great for getting the cluster on and getting the right seal and things like that. We did shave her yesterday. In a couple of months' time, or even before that with her, we might decide to shut the calf in the pen beside her overnight, which means that she'll have more milk first thing in the morning. We can milk that, and the calf can have what's left and then the rest of the day. And that's kind of like the juggling act of calf share, and we're learning as we go really, because when she came to us, she had not weaned her calf, but she'd had her calf for a short time, I think, and then had it taken off her. And this time around, she's going to keep the calf. So we're all learning. She's not letting down. Yeah, not too much. She's sprinting on the floor, remember, rat. Good girl. That'll be the last of it, because she needs to learn to tidy up what's there. So she's a really quick eater, and you've got to be careful because she's learning. Well, all of last summer she would eat what's there, and then as soon as she wanted more food, she'd try and kick the cluster off, which is not ideal. It would probably be okay if her bag wasn't so low, because you kind of need to man it at all times. Good girl. Calf's behind you. Right, switch that off for now. Calf's going to come in and tidy up after us. I'm going to put a bit of... Alright, this is udder salve. I don't know actually how good this is with calves. Hopefully there's no taste, well there is a little bit.
What does it say on the back?
I'll put a little bit on. It's got a slight, it smells a bit like Albasaur, but my thinking is the softer these udders remain, or the bag remains, the better the seal will be, and just generally the better condition. I'm hoping she ain't got a stubbly rash from the shaving her yesterday.
Irritated, inflamed, or sore udders, massage the salvin for 15 to 20 minutes twice a day.
See, there's quite a bit of milk still there.
Wash udder before next milking.
But we'll leave that for calf.
So maybe that's not what we're supposed to do for the calf. Wash udder before milking.
Yeah. What I'll do is I'll just wipe off just the end, so the calf doesn't have any funny tastes going on. Right. You're right in the mix of it there. Let's let them out. No. Your button. Good girl. Trouble is, she's left a load of feed, so we need to give a trough next time. Do you know what I've forgotten is my stainless steel pail. We will find a rhythm, and it needs to be even cleaner in here. Hygiene is key. So it's actually way quicker if I bring this big bucket of hot water straight from the house, because it's just quicker than boiling up the urn that we've got down here. We'll use this to flush the system through, swill all the floor down, and then we'll put the cleaning powder in the next batch. So I should probably do the urn, and then that goes through, and then we rinse that through before with the next milking. You can get glass ones of these, or plastic ones of these, which would be quite useful because it's hard to tell, but you know, there's a load of white stuff. Remember, if she's a Jersey, she might give 10, 15, 20 litres, so that's why you have to have a big churn like that, churn bucket. Look, you get all the attention if you let me milk you, but you're a grumpy old cow. I think she might actually let me milk her now, but I'm not going to try. She should be drying up a bit. No. In reality, we really need to wean Oscar off, because he's a big boy. But she's not pregnant yet, so. Go and find the others, you're so cheeky. Actually, come on, Edna, come. Come on. You can come and tidy up all this. Edna, come on. Alright, come in, we'll just pour it into there and we'll filter it in the house. Make sure it didn't get dirty. I'll just pour it straight into there. The mini herd reunited. She's having a drink. Brother and sister chilled. Thank you very much. Definitely not enough milk to be worth the hassle with the machine today. I'm just going to go back to hand milking, I think.